for our easy homemade donuts, we'll need half kilogram of cake flour. We'll need 350 ml of warm water. We'll need 10 grams. This is 10 grams, like 10 grams of instant yeast. We'll need half cup of granulated sugar. A pinch of salt will be needed, some vanilla for flavor, some vinegar. I'll tell you why you put vinegar. And then oil. The oil will need 60 ml, so I'm going to use this cup. So what we do, you can put everything in the bowl. As I'll start, I'm gonna sieve the flour. I'm going to start with my water, sugar. I don't put eggs in this recipe. I'll start with the sugar, then I'll put the water, then I'll open the yeast, and I'll put all here. You can mix it, then I'll add the oil. We are adding 60 ml of oil. I'm measuring everything with you. So, why do I put vinegar? What vinegar does? The vinegar, I'm going to use apple cider vinegar. If you have, oh, sorry, it's white vinegar. When I bought, I thought I was buying apple cider vinegar. So it's fine, perfect, white vinegar. Apple cider vinegar also, it works well. Even if you don't have those two, have other vinegar you can use. But don't take a dark vinegar, right? So 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, making a mess. Pinch of salt. You can say a half or quarter teaspoon. Let's go with quarter teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon. After I mix, I don't have to leave these for a long time. Then I'm going to start adding our flour. I want to sift it. I'll put small and come back and see. Let's do it fast. So I guess for the next round I will need the spatula, not the whisker. Then let me mix. I'm shouting because I don't have a microphone, and I think that I want you guys to hear, but I remember all the videos like I'm shouting. Let me try to talk low. I hope you can hear me. Then I'm going to use my hands. Now I need to date my hands, and I put a bit of flour here in case I need for my hands or something. But let me try to mix more. The less I date my hands, the better. This is for home. The reason I'm baking this, I have my niece around. She came to visit, and all my nieces and nephews, when they come here, they ask for this. You also can add milk if you want, but I'm just showing you a very cheap version. So, or a version that doesn't cost you much. You can actually use milk. I can do next batch another day with you with the milk. The flavor is gonna be a bit more, and then if you add the milk, probably you have to reduce a bit of the fat, because milk itself has got some fat. Just adding a bit because I want to use my hands. These are a bit soft. So after mixing here, I'm going to leave it to rest for 1 hour. Then I'll come back to it. I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. Depois de 1 hora, wow. If the dough is a bit softer, just add a bit more flour and you will see the consistency after. Going to work the dough for almost 5 minutes. So after you open the dough, I have a cutter for donuts, but if you don't have it, it's not also a problem. Just cut it, but this cutter sometimes. And then I'm going to put here, you see what I did here? I put parchment paper. I see, you can see it, yes. You will see the use for it. But if you don't have, also you can have this cutting, or you can use a cup cut, and then you take something else cut, and then you're going to place here. Let me do this and I come back. Okay, I'm going to cut another one. So if you don't have the paper to put, you can just put baking, so you can just put flour and put the donuts. This is the donuts. They're gonna rest for 1 hour, then I will fry them. I have fried some. Let's come to these ones now. Let me make fast. So these ones that have the plastic, I just get the paper. I'm done with donuts. I put cinnamon on the sugar. After fry the donuts, just pass cinnamon and the sugar. And this is it. I'll break one for you to see. Just like this. Let's see one. This is one super dry, super nice. Our donuts, I'm done. Yummy.